Yo, what is up guys, Skillissue here, and welcome back to another modding tutorial. Today we're discussing Arknights Endfield. I'll explain the process of turning this into this, and talk about the overall modding situation on Endfield. Now, just like in my previous tutorials, if you want to mod your gacha game, you'll either need 3D Migoto or XXMI. They will allow you to customize your characters in a way that doesn't touch the game's files, which would normally violate the terms of use and therefore get you banned. At the moment, AGMG is working on adding Endfield to XXMI, so until then you'll have to use this modified version of 3D Migoto by Waka 810. Silent Night Sound has stated that this version is missing a lot of fixes needed for Endfield and is likely to crash for most people, but at the moment this is the best shot we got at modding the game. Once again, we'll download 3D Migoto for modding Endfield. Preferably you want to download this on your desktop for easy access. Click the link down below and follow my steps. Once that's downloaded, open it and extract it. Look inside. There's the mod folder, the loader, and the readme document. Be sure to have a look at this one. You can go get skins from either Game Banana, Nexus, Patreon, doesn't really matter. Search for Endfield here. Now click on one of them. Scroll down. Have a look at the description. Click here. And then here. If you don't know which one you need, just download the one with the highest numbers. After it's downloaded, right-click the mod zip and extract it like this. Now the next step is to open the loader as administrator. Check the DX11 box and start the game. Check on your character, and good job, you've modded Endfield. If you're worried about getting banned, it's very unlikely to happen. If you download mods other than skins like cheat tables and such, obviously you will get banned, but stick to visual mods, hide your UID, and you'll be fine. Even if your UID slips out, I'm currently testing to see if any of my accounts on WoA, Genshin, ZZZ will get banned. Nothing has happened and it's already been a year since I publicly exposed my UID. And that's all I had to say guys, hopefully the video helped you out. If any issues show up, let me know in the comments down below, I'll be sure to check them in time. Have a good one.